Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sindhu JJT. Today's class is about basic mathematical equations and what we will get for that equations. N plus n equal to 2n. Similarly, a plus a equal to 2a. N into n equal to n square. Similarly, a into a equal to a square. A plus n equal to, similarly we can write this one as n plus a also. A into n equal to na or an. 2n plus n equal to 3n. 4a plus a equal to 5a. 3a into 2n equal to 6an or 6na. 2a plus 4n equal to 2 into a plus 2n. A square into n square equal to an whole square or na whole square. A square by n square equal to a by n whole square. And the next one, a square plus n square equal to, it can be written as n square plus a square also. A square minus n square equal to a plus n into a minus n. And the next mathematical equations are a plus b whole square. As we all know this formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab. A into b whole square equal to a square into b square. P into p equal to p square. Similarly, p plus p equal to 2p. Root ab, it can be written as root a into root b. Similarly, root a plus b can be written as root a plus b. Similarly, as it is, it can be written anything power 0 equal to 1. Here 1 power 0 is 1. 0 power anything is 0. P power m into p power n equal to p power m plus n. P power m plus p power n can be written as same as it is, p power m plus p power n. Square root of minus 2 whole square equal to, minus 2 whole square is 4, 4 square root is 2. Here this one is minus 2. Minus 3 whole square answer is 9. Minus 3 square is minus 9. Similarly, a plus b by a equal to a by a plus b by a, that equal to 1 plus b by a. A into b by a equal to b. Hope you guys liked the class. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.